Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the carnivore diet versus the lion diet. These two diets are very similar, but there are a few key differences that I want to go over. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only allows you to eat meat, fish, and eggs. You can also drink water and unsweetened tea or coffee. This diet is based on the idea that humans are naturally carnivores and that eating a diet of only animal products is the best way to achieve optimal health. What is the lion diet? The lion diet is a variation of the carnivore diet that only allows you to eat meat from ruminant animals. Ruminant animals are animals that have a four-chambered stomach and that chew their cud. This includes cows, sheep, goats, and deer. The lion diet is based on the idea that humans should eat the same diet as lions, which is a diet of only ruminant meat. What are the benefits of the carnivore diet? There are a number of potential benefits to the carnivore diet. Some people report that they experience improvements in their energy levels, mood, and gut health after following this diet. Others report losing weight and improving their overall health. What are the risks of the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet, and it's important to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need. Some people who follow this diet may experience nutrient deficiencies, such as vitamin B12 deficiency. It's also important to talk to your doctor before starting the carnivore diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Which diet is right for you? The best diet for you is the one that you can stick to and that makes you feel your best. If you're considering trying the carnivore diet, I recommend starting slowly and gradually adding more animal products to your diet. You can also talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to get more personalized advice. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between the carnivore diet and the lion diet. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.